Hello, good day. My name is Fisayo Adefa. I am a scout for Solcial, and before this time, I have made some videos about how Solcial works and what it has for users. Uh, One thing that we need to understand about Solcial is that it is not a Web 2 social network. It is built on Web3. And most of us are aware of the irregularities that are observed in Web2. One of these irregularities is the fact that Web2 platforms are centralized in nature. By centralization, I mean they take over every activity of the platform at the detriment of the user. Users don't have any say in Web2 platforms. Platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram are all Web2 based. And you will agree with me that when we engage with this social media, we tend to have our freedom seized. Users don't have 100% freedom on these platforms. We hear about bans every here and there. We hear about people's making effort to write some things which are beneficial to people, but because of the censorship right on these platforms, this wonderful content cannot get to the public. In fact, users or producers of this content do not get anything in return in terms of monetization. But I bring good news for every user here today that on Solcial, which is built on Web3 technology, users have the opportunity to write as much as they can, to create content as much as they can, and to get adequate monetization for their content. Don't forget that I said that Web2 platforms are centralized. On Web3, which Solcial is being built on, there is high degree of decentralization, meaning there is express permission for users to create meaningful content without being banned or without being restricted. What do we know about Solcial? Solcial is a blockchain based Web3 social network. And as I said the other time, it has the ability to give liberty to every user to function in any ability that they want. Don't forget that we have many users of internet today, but because of the fact that these users have been suppressed, they have become hibernated. But with the coming of Solcial, they can be assured of their free will to create meaningful content, to come out and explore this platform in a very meaningful way. I need to say this, that Solcial believes so much in the users, and that is why it is user based platform. Why don't you join us on Solcial as we move the social media space forward in this dispensation? You can learn about Solcial on our different platforms. For example, you can visit us on our website www.solcial.io, where you have enough information as to what I have said. Thank you very much for listening. I hope to see you some other time when I shall come up with another video telling you more about Solcial. I remain yours, Adeyefa Fisayo from Nigeria.